Once upon a time, in a quaint little village nestled amongst rolling green hills, lived a young girl named Lily. Every day, Lily's favorite chore was helping her mother take the fresh, creamy milk to sell at the bustling market. One sunny morning, Lily carefully balanced a pail full of milk on her head, skipping cheerfully along the winding country lane. The sun felt warm on her face, and a gentle breeze whispered through the trees, making her feel wonderfully light. As Lily walked, her imagination began to soar. "Once I sell this milk," she thought, "I'll have enough money to buy a few little chicks. Those chicks will grow up and lay eggs, and I can sell the eggs for even more money." A wide smile spread across Lily's face as her daydreams continued. "With even more money, I'll buy a cute little piglet. That piglet will grow into a big, fat pig, and when I sell the pork, I can finally buy a tiny calf." She pictured herself leading a small calf through the village, feeling so proud. She even imagined the calf growing up and having even more calves, making her a wealthy farm owner. Lily was so lost in her thoughts that she didn't notice the rocky path beneath her feet. Suddenly, whoops, she tripped on a stone and the milk pail tipped over. The milk spilled everywhere, flowing across the ground like a white river, quickly soaking into the thirsty earth. Lily stared in dismay at the empty pail and the damp patch on the ground. Tears welled up in her eyes. All her wonderful dreams had spilled away with the milk. Heartbroken, Lily picked up the empty pail and slowly walked back home. Her mother saw Lily's red eyes and the empty pail and understood what had happened. She gently hugged Lily and said, "It's okay, dear. We'll just be more careful next time. Even though the milk is gone, you've learned a valuable lesson, haven't you?" Lily nodded. She understood exactly what her mother meant. She had learned. Don't count your chickens before they hatch, and always pay attention to the steps you're taking right now. From that day on, Lily still helped sell milk, but she always walked with more care. She still dreamed big, but she learned to take care of the present before planning too far into the future.